Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 update error, that is 0x80070424. So if you're receiving this download error whenever you try to update your Windows 11, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run update troubleshooter. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings, go to system, scroll down, click on troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, and in front of Windows Update you will see run option, so click on run. And once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 11 once again. Now the next step is to start Windows Update and background intelligent transfer service. For this, type in services in Windows search box and click on services. Now find Windows Update in the list, make a double click on Windows Update and then set the startup type as automatic, then click on apply. Click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. With Windows Update selected over here, click on restart the service. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, again set it to automatic, then click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. With this selected, now click on restart the service once again. Now once done, try to update your Windows 11 once again. Still you're receiving the error message, then update your Windows 11 using Windows 11 Installation Assistant. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Then click on accept and install, and this will update your Windows 11. But for some reason, if Windows 11 Installation Assistant is not working, it's not launching, in that case, go to the download location, go to downloads in File Explorer, make a right click on Windows 11 Installation Assistant, then select properties, go to the compatibility tab and then put a check on the box which says run this program in compatibility mode for, and select Windows 7 from the list, then click on apply, OK, then make a double click and then download, install it, and then click on accept and install, and this should go ahead and update your Windows 11. Now the next step is to reset Windows Update components. For this, copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description, so copy till here. Open Notepad, so type in Notepad in Windows search box and paste all the command in Notepad, and then click on file, then click on save as, select the location as desktop and name this file as wufix.bat, and for save as type, select all files, then click on save. Now go to desktop, make a right click on wufix file and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you're opening this file as an administrator, so click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow. Now this will launch command prompt. Now first of all, it will stop all the Windows update services and then it will run some scans. Now there are a couple of scans. Now the scan will take some time. Now once the scan is complete, it will restart all the Windows update services, and after the restart, once this is done, now you can restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 11 once again. Now in case if nothing is working, use media creation tool to update your Windows 11. Go to this website. Here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop, find Windows ISO file, make a double click on Windows ISO file, then run the setup file, make a double click on setup file, Click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11. Click on next. It will check for update. Then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now, before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer. So one of the steps should help you to fix this error message, and your Windows 11 should be up to date. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.